Welcome from the hot Bali. Actually, Ubud Monkey Forest is recently 4 o'clock, actually 3:50, and it's already bloody packed. Seriously, like guys, I make this video specially because recently, back to my previous video from Ubud where we were filming at night, there was the one fella complaining as I'm talking bullshit, as I don't know anything about the Bali, as the traffic jams in Ubud are only because of the dance what is at 8 o'clock and I'm lying and blah blah blah. Sometimes you have to be in Bali and experience by yourself. Come and tell me face to face. I'm showing you right now as it's busy as hell, and no matter what time you're gonna come here. So yeah, now you know, and everybody else also know that it's very busy in Ubud especially. This is Monkey Forest, heading to the area of Art Market, the central location obviously. Also a lot of people working, even it's very hot.
The show Bali traditional dance is not started yet. It's just like 4 and the traffic already like this. So what
But
I
look
can
at,
say
Diana, look at behind you. The aunt is working here with the nice baskets. Actually not aunt, is Bali
life,
Bali life.
right? But the traffic is
Terrible.
ridiculous.
Terrible,
Oh my
isn't it?
God.
But that's how it is.
Yeah.
Okay,
Let's go there.
let's go there. Let's have a look what's going on around. I'm gonna follow the ladies here. And meanwhile, just in case if you're still thinking as I'm making up the stories about the traffic jam, just simply come to Ubud and enjoy. But I will show you as always what's going on here today. One of the Ibu dropped the offering, so we need trying to help them, you know, Bali life. Everything is very low, you have to be careful.
Lagi, Bu.
And this is how you are putting this
Yeah.
on the head. Hello. Hati-hati ya. Bali life. Bali life. Bali life.
Too high.
Too high, and everything is too low. Also, if you are talking about the hate week, what we got recently, there is one old lady. I think you are old if you are watching this video, as you are saying 45 years living in Bali, and you're asking me to go back to my own country. I wish you good luck if you're gonna think like this one, because I don't know, you have a Balinese partner like me or not, but this is very, very rude what you are saying. And just be careful with your business, what I'm gonna tell you, because obviously you have a business here and you are not happy, as I said something bad about Ubud, but the situation is messed up with this stupid motorbikes parking like everywhere. Traffic is like this one. That's the reality. I'm the honest YouTuber. I'm showing you how is it. Is it nice? Is it bad? Is it nice? Something I'm telling, like a beautiful ladies who are carrying the offerings. Is it bad like this one? This is how it is. So everybody who is saying like this one, be careful with your karma. I'm gonna tell you only like this. This old lady who said that obviously is Dutch. I just wanted to let you know. She's not Indonesian even. So, you know, some people are very mean and very silly, I would say. I'm not gonna say you are stupid, but silly, you know.
We live in Bali, everything's supposed to be peaceful. We're just showing you how it is busy traffic or something like that, right? So you like it or not, so this is how it is. Regarding to the hate speech,
Yeah.
come on.
Bali is full of hate speech, unfortunately, right now. And not mentioned as Ubud is considered, as many people saying, a little Russia, a little Moscow, but
All right, it's time to have a coffee break. So we are today in Ubud, and we take you to one coffee shop and boutique that this is one of my favorite one place for coffee and cake, and also yeah, for dinner. And look at the cake, yummy yummy. That's my favorite one. So this is how it is. Almost full house. And I'll show you where is Damian. Very nice. Hi honey. Very nice. This is my coffee and cake basically, and Damian's chilling after a long trip, yeah honey, from Sanur to here took us around 2 hours. When I was in the cafe, what I feel like, you know, I was in the queue ordering the coffee and cake, and then suddenly behind me one Russian lady is just like very rude, saying that I want water. Oh my god, I was just like, oh my god. And next to me They also like, I don't know, it's simply for me it's rude. So what I can say, Ubud, Canggu is just like a little Russia here.
Alright, now we said as this is like how it is. Lucky or not, we don't have a Russian audience, so I don't really mind. But I'm just telling you guys, is nowadays the people, how they are mean online and how they are rude actually to other people. Totally disrespectful, I'm gonna tell you. But we are in Ubud, alright? So everything is like, you know, I'm not saying cross because this is like this, but you know, praying, meditation, vegan. You know, you eat avocado toast for the breakfast, yoga and stuff. So this is the Ubud vibe. Just leave the hate in the home, all right?
One thing, we are not Hollywood stars who always smile and showing you all is good, all is beautiful. But one thing is that we showing you how it is. No matter good or bad, just how it is. Okay, now let's share positive vibes and everything. And happy to see that you know, some customers, some tourists are visiting. Some ladies also buying something from Switzerland. Good job! So yeah, very nice. Let's go there then.
Alright, so eventually we come back to the main street to show you around what's going on. The Sala restaurants is coming soon to Ubud. They had the one successful in Sala, now they're coming to Ubud. Some happy tourists walking around. Cafe Lotus since 1983, very old indeed. And of course at the front is Starbucks and all of the stuff. Like I said, it's pretty busy, no matter what time you come. Also so happy to see so many happy tourists walking around. Also they are queuing somewhere here, I don't know what is it, like a boutique, gelato or something like that. So it's really not that bad at all. And obviously if we are talking about the traffic jam situation in Bali, especially in Ubud, this is just simply because of the lack of infrastructure. Even look at the footpath here, looks like this one. You have to be careful so you're not gonna break your leg. Sometimes happen also. So that's how it is. As you see, I'm showing you Bali how it is. Good, bad, everything. Look at this lovely lady. Hello! See, she's sad, but she's smiling when I say hello. And that's how it is, you know. And what I'm gonna tell you, tourists walking everywhere. Little traffic situation, some people here doing this little rubbish on the street as well, just in case if somebody's saying yes, now I'm hiding on the bad side. You know, this guy even parked recently like a very weird way, lady trying to sell you knives. So, you know, if you're not in the good mood, you can use them. But of course they are just souvenirs, don't take it seriously. Guy driving, using his phone, why not? But he has a helmet, so it's no problem. But they are praying, so they don't need to wear a helmet, obviously. But the guy listens to the music, so it's also cool, right? Balila. I'm sarcastic today, a little bit, huh? Little bit sarcastic.
Oh my God, too many negativity, right?
Well, that's how it is, right? And yeah, what I gotta tell you, busy, enjoyable. Valley Dolphin restaurant in Ubud. Yo, what's up? How you doing? You see, surfer vibe in Ubud as well. Why not? And this is the situation of the art market. Well, actually, Ubud King Palace. The dance is gonna be in 4 hours from now. So, not yet, buddy. You have to wait. And that's how does it look like. By the way, for everyone else who are interested, that's actually pretty nice crowd here. And at the front, the Ubud Art Market recently. I think they already opened it actually. There are some shops inside. I think we have to get inside the market then.
Oh, they have a parking there, parking motor. Obviously, it stated parking motor, but why they still parking outside like this? This is make the traffic, actually. Let's see if there are some people parking down there. Damian asking me why you go to the parking lot. I just want to show you guys how it is. You know, this is how good the government already provide the parking lot down there, the market. Look, so many space you can put the motorbike here. You know, rather than making the traffic congestion there. So
that's how it is.
That's how it is.
Either way, that's the situation in the corner. As you can see, that's how it is. And yeah, the Ubud market, some of the shops are open recently, I can see. We can have a quick look inside. Let's go.
See.
Actually looks very simple, very clean, but very simple. I don't know, I had the imagination this is gonna look slightly different than it looks like, but there's some fans are working on the ceiling, so it's actually not that hot. That's cool. Still plenty of empty lots where you could, or you actually probably not, but some local people could come inside. And they're selling regular stuff. The lots actually are very small, very tiny. Like this one, so if you want to have a bigger, probably you have to rent few of them. And yeah, it's clean, what I'm gonna tell you, regular stuff. I think they are just first shops inside. Outside looks like this one, obviously. Outside look actually pretty nice, I'm gonna tell you. Still empty, a lot of empty, because I think that's the first people get inside. Those loads here are bigger, definitely bigger. But I'm not sure why they are still empty. That's a nice building, white walls and everything. I'm gonna tell you, that's the old street, and I think most of the sellers just stay where they used to stay, which is on the street actually. That's why maybe they don't really want to get inside the building, because their shops are here simply bigger and they don't need to move. I don't know, actually very interesting. Simply they stay where they were. That's what I realized recently. And well, here is even busy a little bit. Many people, nice paintings, everything is like it used to be actually in the art market, on the old art market on the streets. So actually simply looks like just the sellers, they don't willing to move to the new market, especially those who have stars here. They used to have it, so probably they are inside the market. Only those one who were in the old market, where is the building right now. So only some of the people. Most of the tourists who are coming and having a look and trying to buy something, they are also strolling around the old part, isn't it?
Yeah, so I think that this is probably, they already feel comfortable here because maybe the brand new market, I don't know, maybe the new vendors gonna move from the, the Arjuna Street where we passed before, supposed to move there to the new complex. But I don't know, maybe people already feel, comfortable there. I don't know.
All right, then we come back to the main street, which is the beginning or end of the art market. And you know what? It's just busy on the on the street as well. Like all the time, this guy just driving slow, so leave the gap. Yeah, I would like to say thank you so much for watching.
Thanks for watching. And
oh, the motorbike.
The motorbike get inside.
Okay, see you tomorrow. See ya.
Bye.
At least kids seems to be happy. They're doing some exercises, sport. Probably they're gonna play football or something like that. So they have even trainer there. That's so cool. And the traffic, yeah, just another day in Ubud, right?
It's gonna be 2 hours back to Sanur. Okay, see you tomorrow, guys. Look at this Aussie taxi with a big loud music.